On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Medicinal.
Of or relating to the treatment or cure of disease.
Examples:
Medicinal chemistry. Traditional medicinal. The medicinal properties of this herb have been known to help with various ailments.
mRNA.
An abbreviation for messenger RNA, a single-stranded molecule of RNA that corresponds to the genetic sequence of a gene, and is read by a ribosome in the process of synthesizing a protein.
Examples:
mRNA translation. Nuclear mRNA. The mRNA vaccine can expedite many approval processes because it does not contain a virus.
Herald.
To be a sign or indication of something to come, to proclaim or announce something publicly, often with great enthusiasm or fanfare.
Examples:
Herald the news. Herald a new era. The sound of the trumpet heralded the arrival of the king.
Intractable.
Difficult to manage or control, stubborn or obstinate.
Examples:
Intractable pain. Intractable situation. The intractable problem defied a solution.
Interconnect.
To connect similar things.
Examples:
Directly interconnect with those systems. Human activities interconnect with the environment. Our system can now interconnect with other databases.
Monolithic.
Characterized by massiveness, rigidity, and uniformity.
Examples:
Monolithic block. Monolithic system. Big technology companies try to integrate customers' data into monolithic applications.
Collagen.
A fibrous protein that forms the connective tissues in animals, including skin, tendons, and bone, often used in cosmetic and medical treatments for its ability to add firmness and elasticity to skin or other tissues.
Examples:
Collagen supplement. Collagen production. Our natural collagen production decreases as we age, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint pain.
Pliable.
Flexible, easy to bend without breaking or cracking.
Examples:
Pliable dough. Keep the skin pliable. Certain types of plastic become pliable when heated.
Actin.
A protein found in muscle tissue that is involved in muscle contraction and movement. Examples:
Actin.
Actin piliformis. 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 Actin pilifor
Examples:
actin protein, actin polymerization. The actin filaments are responsible for maintaining cell shape and movement.
Myosin.
A type of protein found in muscle tissue that is responsible for muscle contraction and movement.
Examples:
myosin protein, muscle myosin. ATP molecules power the motor activity of myosin.
Hemoglobin.
A protein-based molecule found in red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout the body.
Examples:
hemoglobin level, abnormal hemoglobin. The hemoglobin gene mutation can cause genetic disorders such as sickle cell disease.
Clot.
A thick mass or lump of coagulated liquid, especially blood, a group of people or things that form an obstructive, unsympathetic, or resistant force.
Examples:
blood clot, clot prevention. The clot in the blood vessel required immediate medical attention.
Biochemical.
Relating to the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms.
Examples:
biochemical reaction, complex biochemical. Biochemical research is essential to understanding the complex chemical reactions in living organisms.
Unravel.
Undo twisted, knitted, or woven threads by separating it.
Examples:
unravel a knit, unravel a plot. Detectives are still attempting to unravel the mystery of his death.
Propensity.
A natural inclination, preference, or tendency toward a particular activity, behavior, or opinion.
Examples:
propensity for violence, propensity to procrastinate. His propensity for lying caused him to lose many friends.
Neuron.
A cell that is specialized to carry information within the brain and between the brain and other parts of the body.
Examples:
excite the neurons, neuron cell body. Our body transfers information along each neuron using an electrical impulse.
Complication.
Something that makes a situation or condition that is complex or confused.
Examples:
complication of structure, resolve without complication. He also continued to struggle with serious long-term complications.
Inborn.
Existing naturally from birth, innate or inherent, often used to refer to traits or characteristics that are genetically determined.
Examples:
inborn talent, inborn characteristics. The scientist's inborn sense of logic made her a rigorous and precise thinker.
Glycogen.
A complex carbohydrate that is stored in the liver and muscles and broken down into glucose for energy when needed.
Examples:
glycogen storage, glycogen synthesis. The liver produces and stores glycogen for the body to use as a source of energy.
Carbohydrate.
Also carb, any of a class of organic compounds that include sugars, starch, and cellulose and are a principal source of energy in the diet of animals.
Examples:
Complex carbohydrate. Carbohydrate metabolism. Foods high in carbohydrates include bread, pasta, and rice.
Cornstarch.
A fine, powdery flour made from the starch of corn kernels, used as a thickener in cooking or for other industrial purposes.
Examples:
Cornstarch slurry. Cornstarch pudding. A mixture of vinegar and cornstarch can be used to clean silverware.
Hypoglycemia.
A medical condition characterized by abnormally low blood sugar levels, often causing symptoms such as weakness, sweating, confusion, and dizziness.
Examples:
Hypoglycemia symptoms. Hypoglycemia diet. The doctor recommended frequent monitoring of blood sugar levels to prevent hypoglycemia.
Puberty.
The process of a person's physical changes through which their sexual organs develop and become capable of reproduction.
Examples:
At the height of puberty. The onset of puberty. In this culture, men are initiated when they reach puberty.
Circadian.
Relating to a physiological cycle that lasts approximately 24 hours, impacting physical and behavioral changes that occur over the course of a day, such as sleep-wake cycles or fluctuations in hormones.
Examples:
Circadian clock. Circadian disruption. Having a consistent sleep schedule is important for maintaining a healthy circadian rhythm.
Suffice.
To be enough or sufficient, to meet the needs or requirements of something or someone, to satisfy or fulfill a purpose.
Examples:
Suffice to live. Suffice as evidence. Would 1 cup of flour suffice for this recipe?
Inject.
To put a liquid such as a drug or other substance into a person's or an animal's body using a needle and syringe equals small tube.
Examples:
Inject under the skin. Inject a personal opinion into a debate. Let's try to inject a bit of enthusiasm into your performance.
Clog.
To obstruct or block up a passage, pipe, or system with an accumulation of thick or sticky matter. To impede or hinder the progress or movement of something.
Examples:
Clog a filter. Clog artery. The drain was clogged with hair and needed to be cleaned out.
Turnaround.
The amount of time needed to prepare a vessel or ship for a return trip, a change or improvement in the condition, performance, or affairs of something.
Examples:
Miraculous turnaround. Turnaround strategy. The company's turnaround was a result of new management strategies.
Goosebump.
A small bump that appears on the skin due to cold, fear, or excitement, a physiological response that causes the skin to contract and produce small bumps.
Examples:
Goosebump sensation. Goosebump moment. The cold wind gave her goosebumps on her arms and legs.
Regenerative.
Tending to regrow or restore lost or injured tissue.
Examples:
Regenerative medicine. Regenerative therapy. The regenerative properties of stem cells make them a promising area of research.
Beckon.
To gesture or signal someone to come nearer or follow, to encourage or entice someone to do something, to seem attractive or desirable.
Examples:
Beckon with a hand. Beckon a taxi. The warm sun and gentle breeze beckoned us to spend the day outside.
Autoimmune.
Relating to a condition in which the body's immune system attacks and destroys healthy body tissue, mistaking it for harmful foreign substances.
Examples:
Insulin autoimmune syndrome. Autoimmune disorder. The presence of certain substances triggered the autoimmune response.
Tamp.
To pat down or compress tightly using a tool or instrument, to suppress or reduce something, such as an emotion, a conflict, or a rumor.
Examples:
Tamp down fighting. Tamp tobacco into a pipe. Be sure to tamp down the soil around the newly planted tree to secure it in place.
Overactive.
Excessively active, showing an excess of activity or energy.
Examples:
Overactive imagination. Overactive thyroid. The medication caused an overactive immune system, resulting in adverse side effects.
Multiplex.
A cinema complex with several screens or theaters showing different films at the same time, an electronic device that allows several signals to be transmitted or processed simultaneously through a single channel. Adjective, relating to or consisting of multiple interconnected parts or elements.
Examples:
Multiplex telegraphy. Multiplex DNA analysis. The new multiplex cinema has 12 screens showing the latest movies.
Syncytial.
Relating to or characterized by a type of cell structure in which multiple nuclei are contained in a single cytoplasmic mass.
Examples:
Syncytial virus. Syncytial fusion. Syncytial cells have multiple nuclei and are often found in the placenta.
Hospitalize.
To admit someone to a hospital for medical treatment.
Examples:
Hospitalized patient. Hospitalized child. She had to be hospitalized due to her injuries.
Booster.
Something or someone that supports, promotes, or enhances, a device or substance that improves the performance or effectiveness of something.
Examples:
Metabolism booster, morale booster. The energy drink is marketed as a booster to help athletes perform better.
Footprint.
A mark of a foot, shoe, or animal's foot left on a surface.
Examples:
Footprints in the snow. The footprints of an earlier civilization. We choose transportation that has a smaller carbon footprint.